Hey guys, so I wanted to talk about my mini OTFs. I'm going to start with this one. Then over here with this. This one's my favorite out of my minis. This one was $10 on Amazon. This one was $15 on Amazon. Microtech clone. Can you see that? I like this one. I've had this one for years. Good size. And the Chode. Another Microtech clone. Where is it? Microtech. There we go. Come on, focus. Exo set. And down here, boom. I like this. The little Chode. Okay, guys, like and subscribe for more. Tell me which one's your favorite in the comments.